3 academic phrases that you can use in any context and they will sound absolutely amazing. To achieve a higher IELTS score, it is crucial that you show a wide range of vocabulary, and these phrases will help you do just that. So by the end of the video, you'll be able to use them confidently and boost your IELTS score. Let's get started. Now, if you want to say that something is really important and it has to be done, it's necessary. Without this, there will be some problems, probably. You can say it is imperative that. This phrase shows that it's very urgent, we must do this. It's very important. Now, it's imperative that parents respect their children's opinions to build strong relationships. It is imperative that teachers explain concepts clearly to enhance student learning. It is imperative that people follow a balanced diet to maintain good health. It is imperative that individuals exercise regularly to stay fit and prevent illness. Awesome phrase. Very often students say if we talk about cooking, my mom is really good. If we talk about the weather, Germany is really good, for example. And this doesn't sound very natural in English. So instead, you should use in terms of and when it comes to. They definitely sound more natural and more academic. So we use these phrases when we want to specify exactly what aspect we are talking about. So, for example, when it comes to fitness, consistency is more important than intensity. In terms of education, Finland is considered one of the best countries in the world. So maybe in terms of the climate, they're not that good, but in terms of education, they're the best. For example, when it comes to business, Germany has one of the strongest economies in Europe. My grandmother is the best when it comes to cooking. So we specify exactly what she's good at when it comes to cooking, in terms of cooking. And finally, phrase number 3, it is the case with. It is not the case with. It is often the case with. It is also the case with. And this phrase helps us to say that something is also true for another person or for another country or for another thing. Or maybe it's the opposite. It's not true for this person, while it is true for that person. So for example, men like spending hours watching MMA, but it's not often the case with women. So here I say it's not often the case with women because, well, I guess there are some women who watch MMA, who watch a lot of MMA, right? So we say it's not often the case. Maybe it is the case sometimes, but it's not often the case. Next, Japan is very advanced technologically, but it's not the case with my country. Maybe my country, it's not really true for my country. It is not advanced technologically. My friends love playing computer games, but it's not the case with me. I don't like it. Samsung phones have excellent cameras, and it's also the case with iPhones. So it's the same with iPhones. You can say the same thing about iPhones. So this phrase helps us to avoid repeating the same information. You just say, well, Germany is advanced, and it's also the case with my country. It's the same with my country. These are really useful phrases, and they will definitely make your language sound much more impressive. So please use them in your speaking and in your writing. That's it for today. So thank you for watching IELTS with Dan, and don't forget to comment, like, subscribe for more IELTS tips in the future. Bye!